What's going on, guys? I just literally woke up. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And my last vlog was yesterday, and I thought all the parts were gonna come in tomorrow, which is Friday. Today's Thursday. But guess what? They all came in today. This is the front lip I got. So this is like my 12th lip. Same lip I get all the time, every time I lose it. But I'm gonna open it right now for you guys. So this is the gritty lip everyone gets for the is300. I ordered it from Icon Motorsports because Icon usually has the best fitment out of all the other gritty lips, and they're usually not morphed. So shout out to Icon for the good lips. Hopefully, let's see if it is this time. I don't know what the fuck that is. Usually comes with hardware, but I guess they jocked me this time. Oh no, right. They usually come with like 4 bolts or 4 screws for each side, or 2 on that side and 2 on that side. I'm gonna open it for you guys right now. Here's the lip. Pretty good condition. Doesn't look really morphed. Usually I've ordered from the other places. I don't want to call them out, but it's usually morphed right here and like over here, and sometimes right here it would be like bent up, but you can also use a heat gun to get it out or leave it in the sun for a couple hours. But usually Icon has a good lip, so that's why I order from them. Kind of looks a little morphed right there. No, not really, but yep. So finally got the lip in, and that is probably my 12th lip or 11th. And yeah, I could have bought a bumper, but that bumper probably would have been fucked too. Other thing I told you, I also got something for the wagon, and it also came in today. And I want to show you guys right now. So this is what I got, boys and girls. Damn, shout out to the, oh shit. Hell yeah, I got is300 arms again. So I know this guy that sells them, and shout out to him for always hooking it up. And he wanted to powder coat it, but I was like, nah, bro, don't even bother. So the is300s, what I run on my other IS and ran on the other IS I sold, they are basically stock front upper control arms off the JZX Chaser, I think. The Chaser? JZX, same shit. Whatever. But yeah, and they are basically stock arms, and they fit the SXE100s, the ISs, and they're shorter. So they give you at least -8, depending how low you are too. Just went back in the garage, and this is off my other IS. This is the stock arm, and this is, let me see, that's the right side. So let's get the right side. It's slightly shorter, but you can tell. Barely, but it does a lot, honestly. That's about like, I don't know how much. Let me see. About that much shorter. I think you would have to put it like right here. Oh shit. But yeah, you could tell it's fairly shorter and smaller. Back from the store, I got one black primer, which I should have probably got a gray one so I can see where I'm painting. Got duplicate color the black gloss. Got 2 of them just in case, and clear coat. And some sandpaper. T1000. 1000 grit. This will be my painting booth. My backyard's... Oh shit! Fell through a hole. My backyard's like Nam, so don't mind it. So first I'm gonna do the primer and then the black clear coat. Or I mean the black paint. I'm not good at painter, but fuck 'em. I did the primer, black primer first. I did like 2 coats already. Just gonna wait for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes for it to dry off. It is pretty windy, so that could be a good or a bad thing. Good, maybe it dries faster. No, not really. But bad, definitely a bad thing. Every time I paint something, or yeah, that has to do with paint, it's always fucking windy for me. I don't know why. All the time, bro. But yeah, I just painted the lip. It looks alright, but I guess that'll do for now. And yeah, I did put like 3 coats of black, then I wet sanded it and then clear coated it, but it is peeling because I didn't sand it hard enough, because once they ship it to you, it's like really smooth, and I guess you have to make it rough so that the paint can actually stick. But who cares, it's just a lip. Might just fly off on the freeway anyways, so I'm gonna put it on right now. So she's on, looking normal again. I put 2 screws this time right here, the ones that it came with, and I still had the 2 screws in the middle. One right here, one right here, and it still fell off, but it seems secured. It's not as glossy as the old one, and I have 2 more right here. So yeah, you just screw 2 right here. I put 2 in the middle. You don't need to put 2 in the middle. You could do a long ass double-sided tape, but I didn't do that. I just put 2 screws, and then 2 screws right here. And there's my fucking my fucking side marker light, but I just let that dangle. But yeah, so the lip is on. It's good. Looks back to normal again. The lip's on. Everything's good. It's just that the paint's not that glossy. The last person that painted my lip was Dallas. Dallas did a very good job, but he's at work, so I was like, I gotta do whatever I gotta do. It's not that bad though. I mean, it's just a lip. If anything, it's just gonna fly off again on the freeway. But I just needed something to cover it up, because the is300s do not look good without the lip. You have to have the lip, honestly. And yeah, I feel like it sags. I might put more screws on it so it doesn't fly off, honestly. But yeah, looks good. So that'll be that in the video, guys. Hope you guys like the lip. I mean, it's the same thing, but whatever. But don't forget, Saturday is Super D. Hope to see you guys there. It's gonna be lit. If you guys are going to Super D, come say what's up. I got some stickers. I'll give it to them for free. And let's take a shot. I'll have a bottle with me. But for now, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'm out. Later.